This is an early alpha demo of the AirPig game engine, which is designed to make 2D ARPG games with rigged animations. This video is recorded at 4x, and this is demonstrating the ability to very quickly draw level geometry with our automatic tile resolving system that figures out what tiles should render based on the type of layer that you are drawing. AirPig uses rigs heavily, and a rig is just a collection of bones that can have sprites attached to the bones and then keyframed so that you can quickly create animations out of static sprites, and you can change the sprite attached to a bone and the orientation of the sprite relative to the bone. So you can quickly create sprites and scale their animation to different durations just by moving and keyframing the bones. Once you have created a rig, you can place it into the map and move it around. Rigs can have behaviors and collision, and may be able to have things like inventory items, such as the case of a chest. You can also place plain sprites. Sprites have no behavior and are just used for aesthetic decoration in the level. As we assemble this scene, you may notice that sprites and rigs automatically sort themselves, so it is easy to move things around without worrying about layering. One of the advantages of rigged animations is you can quickly swap the sprites on a rig, such as changing that dummy's head to face to the right instead of facing down. AirPig also makes it easy to add arbitrary collision polygons, such as for this table scene where we don't need it to have any specific behavior, but we don't want the player to be able to walk through the table. Our goal with the AirPig engine is to empower developers to make games very quickly with things like rigged animations, tile-based maps, and built-in behaviors so that you can assemble components into rich gameplay very quickly. Thank you for watching. This is very early alpha features, but we hope to show a lot more in the future.